How much should you actually spend on blackout curtains? Because people often buy the cheapest ones but end up disappointed. It's a bit interesting how price doesn't always guarantee quality. Product number 1: NICTOWN Pitch Black Curtains. First up, we have the NICTOWN Halloween Pitch Black Solid Thermal Insulated Grommet Blackout Curtains. At just $9.98, they really caught my eye for their affordability and impressive ratings, boasting 4.6 stars from nearly 130,000 reviews. If you want a budget-friendly solution that blocks out light effectively, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These curtains can block up to 99% of light, which is crucial for day sleepers. The thermal insulation feature helps keep your room cozy in both winter and summer, meaning you won't have to crank up the heat or AC as much. Plus, with the innovative triple weave technology, you can enjoy peace and quiet, making it easier to drift off into a restful sleep, especially if you're sensitive to noise. With over 20,000 units sold in just the last month, it seems like a lot of people are trusting this product. Now, some people complained about the fabric feeling a bit heavy, which may not suit everyone's aesthetic. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly looking for effective blackout capabilities, that weight actually helps with blocking light, so it's not a deal breaker for most buyers. This is perfect for you if you need an extremely affordable option that does its job well. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight and stylish. Now, if the NICTOWN's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Petaholic Portable DIY Blinds. Next, let's talk about the Petaholic 100% Blackout Curtains for bedroom. Priced at $21.98, these portable blinds are designed for ease of use and flexibility. They caught my attention because they can be cut to fit any window size, which is super handy. If you move around or travel, this is a solid choice. Here's why this matters for you. These blinds block 100% of sunlight, creating a perfect dark environment regardless of your setup. The included nano-adhesive stickers make installation a breeze, so you can have them up in under 10 minutes. Plus, they're lightweight and foldable, making them ideal for travel or temporary living situations. The DIY feature means you can customize them to your needs, which can be a game changer in tight spaces like dorm rooms. Some users mention that the adhesive can lose its grip over time, which can be frustrating. But here's the catch: if you're careful about the installation and use them in places where you can easily replace them, that won't be much of an issue. This is perfect for you if you need portable blackout solutions that you can customize. Skip this one if you prefer something more permanent for your windows. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for complete blackout needs. Product number 3: BKSAI Magnetic Blackout Shades. Coming in at number 3 is the BKSAI 100% Blackout Curtains. Priced at $18.99, I found these magnetic shades particularly interesting. Their magnetic installation and cuttable design make them a unique choice. If you want something that's both easy to install and adjust, keep watching. These shades are made from durable Oxford fabric, which not only blocks out light but also offers thermal insulation. This means your room stays cooler in summer and warmer in winter, which can save you some money on heating and cooling bills. Plus, the no-trace adhesive magnets ensure you won't ruin your window frame during installation. Now, some users pointed out that the fabric is thinner compared to traditional curtains, which might not appeal to everyone. Here's the thing though, if your main goal is complete darkness and you don't mind a slightly different aesthetic, this could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install blackout option that's also customizable. Skip this one if you prefer thicker, more decorative curtains. Now, if the BKSAI's thinness bothered you, wait until you hear about our next option. Product number 4: INOVADAY Total Blackout Curtains. Next up, we have the INOVADAY Total Blackout Curtains for just $31.19. These drapes impressed me with their versatility and stylish design, rated 4.6 stars from 4,800 reviews. If you want a combination of style and functionality, this is worth a serious look. The various hanging options allow you to customize how they look in your space. Additionally, with clip rings included, you can easily adjust the pleats for a more modern or traditional aesthetic. The fabric is soft and textured, which adds a touch of sophistication to your room. However, some buyers noted that the color might not match expectations from online images, appearing slightly deeper in person. While this can be disappointing, most people find the overall quality and functionality to outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that can blend in with your decor. Skip this one if you're very particular about color matching in your home. Now, if the color issue with INOVADAY makes you hesitate, you might want to check out our final product. Product number 5, MIULEE Blackout Linen Textured Curtains. Finally, let's look at the MIULEE 100% Blackout Linen Textured Curtains priced at $27.74. With a solid 4.7-star rating from over 8,100 reviews, these curtains really caught my eye for their luxurious design. If you're after elegance alongside functionality, this could be your best bet. The faux linen fabric gives a beautiful texture while being washable, making maintenance a breeze. The 8 grommets make hanging easy and allow for a smooth glide when opening and closing. Plus, with the triple weave technology, you get additional noise reduction, which is a big plus for day sleepers. That said, some customers reported minor creases upon opening, which can be a hassle. But honestly, a quick iron or steam should solve that, and for the quality you're getting, many find it worth the little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of luxury and practicality in your blackout curtains. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. In conclusion, we've seen a range of options from budget-friendly to luxurious, each with its own strengths. Whether you prioritize cost, portability, or style, there's something here for everyday sleeper. To wrap it up, whether you're looking for something affordable like the NICTOWN, portable solutions from Petaholic and BKSAI, stylish options like INOVADAY, or the luxurious feel of MIULEE, there's something for every sleeper. Choose what fits your needs best and enjoy those dark, restful days.